Hey everybody, this is Dale with Networking Step by Step, and in today's video cheat sheet we're going to be configuring a not so stubby area, totally stub area. It's kind of an interesting name, but that's just what they chose. So we're going to start off gathering some baseline show commands to make sure that our previous video cheat sheet configs turning OSPF area 2 into a not so stubby area is still there. Then we're going to change that OSPF area 2 into a not so stubby area, totally stub area, and then do some verification show commands to look at the ramifications of what we've done. So let's look at the network topology. In the last video cheat sheet, we created a not so stubby area up here in OSPF area 2 between routers 1 and router 2, and that's what we're going to be changing this into a not so stubby area, totally stub area. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go look at router 1 first and make sure that it's still the way that we think it should be. And area 2 that router 1 is in is still a not so stubby area. Actually, I just messed up the output, so let's do the command again. And it's still a not so stubby area right there. And also the show IP route command that I did, as you can see, just like before, we have all of the OSPF area routes. Notice that there is not a default route anywhere in the route table. That'll play into significance a little bit later on. So let's do the show IP OSPF pipe begin area 2 command on router 2 to verify that it's still a not so stubby area, and it is, and it's also performing the 7 to 5 LSA translation since it is the area border router. So let's configure router 2 to be a not so stubby area, totally stub area, and you only have to do this on the area border router. Router 1 and router 2 are already in a not so stubby area, so just like a totally stub area, all you have to do is configure the no summary keyword on the ABR to do the special LSA filtering. So that's what we're going to do. You do not have to do it on the other routers, just on the area border routers. Okay, so we put the no summary tag on the end of the area to NSSA. This is what makes the area a not so stubby area, totally stub area. So let's go back over, and you may notice that we did not drop our OSPF adjacency, and that's because, once again, they agreed that they are a not so stubby area and we're only filtering the prefixes on the area border router. So let's do a show IP route on router 1, and all of the inter-area prefixes that we had before are gone, and also the default route that we never had has appeared. So all of the inter-area routes are gone, and we now have a default route from router 2. So when you implement a not so stubby area, total stub area on the area border router, it will automatically propagate a default route for you. Let's see if we can ping all the way down into the other area 2 on the other end, which is set up as a stub area. So just so you can visualize it, we're going to be pinging from router 2 here, which is a not so stubby area, and it does not have a specific route for 5's loopback address, which is 5.5.5.5. Let's see if we can ping all the way down here into this totally stub area. So we're going from a not so stubby area across the backbone to a total stub area, and we're going to ping down and hopefully get some replies back. So let's ping, and there you go. So let's ping and then source from our loopback address. This added the level of difficulty a little bit, and there you go. So we can ping across our network from a not so stubby area, actually a not so stubby area, totally stub area, to a total stub area without any issues. So that's how you set up a not so stubby, totally stub area. All you got to do is add the no summary keyword on the area border router next to the area not so stubby area command, then you throw the no summary on the end, and now it's a not so stubby area, total stub.